Right, it's pancake making time. Get it all around the pan, it's nice and even. Loosen up the edges.
Look at the concentration.
Give her a bit of a shake, she's already nice and loose. Let's let that go for a minute and then we'll give her a flipperoo, see how we get on.
Ever heard a pancake be called loose before?
Ready? Not yet.
Ready?
Ready? Not yet. Right, let's give it a whirl then.
Whoa!
That's how I like to roll.
Oh, excellent.
And that's how to make a pancake.
Just add lemon, sugar and job's a good one.
And consume immediately. For the pancake recipe, check the description box below. And if you enjoyed our bit of fun in the kitchen, please do subscribe. Thank you.